Hello to all of our dear members in Hyperpix. I'm Mary and welcome back to one more tutorial video. So today we're going to work with the text effect which belongs to House of the Dragon series, and as usual we have tried our best and put all of our effort to create this text effect with the most similarity to the original logo of this movie. And as you see, the style and design is magnificent. So this template allows you to convert your text and your logos just with a single click into this amazing style and use it in all your different projects. So the transparent ability which this template gives to you after switching off the backgrounds allows you to drag and drop and get a PNG outcome and use it in all your different projects. So to download this product, all you need to do is to just join Hyperpix VIP membership. The link is in the description, and just click and check out our products, and if you like, join and have so much fun. So in this video we're going to learn how to work with this template. As usual, we just start from the first layer, right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. So in this window which appears here, we're witness of our text. So I'm going to use the title of the Lord of the Rings Power movie, which is similar, almost similar to this series. So I'm going to use this text, and first of all we just double click on the first text layer, and I'm going to just edit and type my text easily, just like this. So we just enter and drag towards the center. We have our text right here again, which we're going to type rings right here, and on this side we have power. So we have this text right here which we're going to delete one and get a copy from the of and type this section as well. So we just to customize a little right here, I'm going to minimize my text. So it's not very important that it looks just the same, but we're trying our best to just have a little test and learn how to use this template. So everything's amazing and perfect. We don't need this text anymore at the top right here, which we just need to remove it. Here we go. I'm going to just bring these text in the center and remove this text. Everything's excellent and perfect. We just close, click save, and here we go. Here is our wonderful result. As you see how easy our text has the style applied to it, and the result is perfect. So you can use any fonts you want. For instance, I'm going to edit the font and just go with this font. I'm just going to enlarge my text a little because the font has changed. So also this template has the ability to change the gaps between the characters and customize and edit, just as you see. And one more time, we just make sure everything's in the right place and click save and just close, and here we go. We're witness of our beautiful change, and as you see how creative and beautiful it looks. So it's absolutely easy to work with this product and template. In Hyperpix we have so many text effects which belongs to the popular movies and series which we create with Photoshop, and it has the most similarity, and you can get to them with just a single click and use it in all the different projects and save up on your time and money. Also, we have so many different products except templates and text effects, which we suggest you to check it out and join the VIP membership. Thanks so much. Have a great day.